Hi, hello everybody. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Today we're actually going to do a very nice house right on top of Las Palmas and gated community. It's called Cantajirones Natura. The houses are modern, contemporary, beautiful. This, look at all this. Beautiful. Now we're going to go outside the house first, and then we're going to go inside the house. Let's go. Hi. Now, this is a gated community. It's a very special gated community. Very, very special. We're in house number 30. Look at that main door. Huge, beautiful. Very good parking space. Parking space with a view, I must add though, because let's go look at the view from the parking. It's just beautiful. Like, I mean, it's just modern, nice and simple. Beautiful. I know I say that a lot though. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit, but look at this. See, that's the reason why I say beautiful so much. Because the stuff that I show you, it's actually really beautiful. So now, let's go inside the house. Okay, let's go inside the house. I know I said this a lot, so, but look at this. Look at the lighting. It's nice and warm. Look at all the light and all the spaces. This just, man, look at this. Grand terrace. I'm gonna go out just in a minute. Look at this terrace. Wow. Glass balcony all around the house and this lot to enjoy. It's just amazing. See why I say amazing so much? It's a great property. Modern, simple. I really love this. Look at this area that you have right here for barbecues, parties, or whatever. Let's go inside the house and look at the kitchen. The kitchen is open space, beautiful open spaces. I love this. And beautiful dining room area, living room area. Great. Now let's go downstairs. Guys, goodbye for now. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Looking at more amazing properties. Like, share, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you want to see these more amazing properties. Let us know what type of properties you want to see, and we'll try to please you. My name is Thomas again from Real Estate Medellin. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.